This is the beloved Pensacola Villagers 2001 Lincoln Continental. The short run with the Lincoln with Villagers had it running beverages, delivering t-shirts, there at all the community service things. It was always there. Not only was it always there, but it also had the luxury, speed, and all the bells and whistles of a modern-day car. Today, we have Director Chaney and Executive Martin to take a look at the condition of Pensacola Villagers 2001 Lincoln Continental. The Lincoln runs, but no car in tip-top shape makes this noise.
And up goes the hood. So your professional opinion.
So glad we got that on video.
Within seconds, Executive Martin was able to determine that it was rod knock. Rod knock is when a piston's connecting rod, or bearing that connects it to the crankshaft, breaks. When this happens, the piston can no longer make a smooth up and down motion, creating a loud knocking noise on the inside of the engine block, hence the name rod knock, and is a very expensive fix. Rod knock confirmed, Director Chaney was now going to plug into the computer of the car to see how all the other systems were doing. Though you can't see it here very well, after the analysis of the 2001 Lincoln Continental's computer, all other systems were 100%. But we had rod knock.
She bad. At least she was. She's a beauty though.
Was.
First gotta take a moment to admire that interior. You know, it's always good to go. Gotta take a minute to admire the interior.